Good morning, team. Welcome back to Mississippi Dashing. It's about 7:20 in the morning this Saturday, and I'm headed over to Walmart in just a few minutes to do some gig work. I gotta get an energy drink, some gas, and then today we're going for a big goal, bro. We're starting at 7:30, and we're gonna finish. I'm gonna try to go all the way to 11 p.m. So I'm gonna see if I can make over $200. I think it's a lofty goal, but I'm excited about it. So let's give it a shot. All right, so we're gassed up. We got, I don't know if you guys like these things. I love these things. These blueberry danishes, and then we got a giant Red Bull. So we will be set for our morning adventures on the road. Oh yeah. Okay, so I took my first order. It's for a little over $19. It's like $19.60. Going about 6.4 miles. It is a curbside pickup, so we're going to pick up 3 different orders. And one of the orders has like 30 items, but the rest of them are pretty small, like 11 and 4 or something like that. So let's get this one done, move on to the next one. Nice. Hey, first order of the day. So we're loaded up in the front and in the back. Let's head over. I got a house to deliver to first. We'll do that and move on to the next 2, and then I'll come back to you guys when I get another order. Nice. All right, 8:45 check-in. So it's literally been probably an hour and 10 minutes. So now we're waiting on our second order. I'm hoping that it doesn't get too slow before that 10:30, 11 o'clock. Usually I see like a little downpour in the middle of the morning before lunch. I've never actually gotten to 100 before lunch. I think maybe I did when I was in Tuscaloosa. I go there every now and again in Alabama, but I don't think I've done that here in Columbus. But I'm sure we'll get close, right? Right, just took our second order. It's gonna be $15 for a little over 2 miles, 3 items, shop and deliver. I'm gonna do that. All right, so I just came out of there. One of the items I couldn't find, so this is all I'm taking to this house. It looks like a birthday gift. There was a kid's toy that wasn't available, so I went ahead and messaged the customer to let them know I couldn't find it, see if they wanted to substitute it for anything, but I never got an answer. So I'm delivering a letter and some tissue paper for $15. Shop and deliver almost 18 bucks, about 5 miles, 8 items. Let's go get it. Okay, so I just dropped off that order to an assisted living place. Super nice lady. She was hooked up on oxygen, and I feel like I was doing her a service by bringing those groceries. So that was pretty cool. We're headed back to Walmart now. This will be for the 4th order of the day. Usually when I hit about 10 orders, that puts me either close to 200 or well over 200. It just depends. So we're trying to get to 5 by noon. It is about 10:25 right now. So let's head over, get the 4th order, and we'll just keep going. It's pretty overcast today. I'm hoping it doesn't rain this afternoon. Sometimes rain does bring business, but I kind of wanted to stay dry. It's nice and cool today, and in Mississippi it gets hot during the summer. So let's head to Walmart and try for that 4th order. Nice. Okay, 4th order, 18:29, a little over 6 miles, shop and deliver 8 items. Heck yeah. Okay, so we finished up our 4th order. We are just under, I think we just hit over 70 bucks for the morning. Not the 100 we wanted, but that's not too bad. Going for 200 today, maybe more. And I wanted to give you guys an update on what happened last weekend. So I went to New Orleans because I had a bunch of pieces that were accepted into a gallery called Lemure Galleries in New Orleans. That was a big deal for me. It's been a long time coming. I've always wanted to be in a gallery in New Orleans, and I've gotten a lot of no's this year applying, and finally got into a juried competition there. So I don't know if I have won or lost anything, but just to be in the gallery is great. The competition goes on through most of August, I believe, and into September. So went down to New Orleans, had a blast. The whole family was there for the occasion. And my high school boarding school roommate stops down there. He came by and said hi and got to look at the artwork. It was a lot of fun. That made my day. I went to boarding school my junior and senior year of high school for art at the Mississippi School for the Arts. So seeing him was awesome. He and I are we've been friends for life, and having the support of friends over the years has been really rejuvenating. It helps me remember that I'm trying to do something special, not that I'm getting anywhere with it, but it is a lot of fun. So now we're in preparation for Chattanooga. I've got work that's going to go into a coffee shop in Chattanooga called the Frothy Monkey. They've opened up a bunch of wall space and it's going to be there for a month. So working on a new drawing right now, and that's life. You know, we're living, doing gig work, and hoping that I can close on this dang house. Nobody told me that closing on a home was going to be this frustrating. It's taken a long time. We got approved for the loan, and now an underwriter is going through all my accounts, making sure I'm not a drug dealer, I guess. So, but yeah, that's where we're at. Doing art, living life, and just doing the best we can. So let's get this fifth order and let's keep going for the day. Nice. Okay, fifth order, 2788, going about 12 miles. It is a shop and deliver for about 18 items. So a little bit of a longer distance, a little bit more shopping, but this will put us over $100 for our fifth order. Nice. We got everything we needed, loaded up in the back, and delivering now to a house. Come on back and we'll be kind of on our journey now in the next 4 to 5 orders towards that 200 marker, which is kind of what we're going for today. Hopefully we'll get there. But I'm happy that we hit our 100 within the noon hour. So, and I'll be honest, I don't know if we're actually at 100. I think we're at like $98, but hey, damn close. Okay, this is order number 6. It's a little over $19 for about 9 miles. It is a curbside pickup, 3 orders. I'll be doing 3 drop-offs, and yeah, good mileage, good dollar per mileage. Yeah, let's go grab it. Okay, they got us loaded up pretty quick. I got one here, one in the back there, and one in the back here. 3 drop-offs. Let's go make them happen. This will put us at about 120 for the day. We'll come back for another, say 3 or 4, trying to get to that 10, because it puts me close to 200 every time I finish 10 orders. Nice, let's go deliver these. Okay. All right, that drop-off's done. Now we've got 2 more, one here and one more in the back. So let's go drop these off. Cute little house right here. Boom. Okay. Love your mama. All right, let's go make the 3rd drop off and head back to Walmart, see if we can get a 7th order. Chapow. Okay. Just had a huge horsefly flying around me, biting my leg. I was like, what in the world? All right, so we got to make a slight detour. My wife is not home from being out of town in Alabama, so we are gonna go back to the house, let the dog out, let her get some water before we come back out again for like the later evening. I really want to get to 200 plus today, so I'm gonna make that detour and then go to the house. You guys want to see the dog? All right, let's go check up on the dog, give her some attention, and let her out to use the restroom before we go conquer our 2nd mission. Haha. Okay. Molly dog. Hi dog. Come on, girl. I'm gonna use the bathroom. Okay. Come on, sweet girl. Come on, sweet girl. Hi. Hi, dog. Hi, dog. This is a good dog. What are you doing, dog? Yes, it's a good dog. Okay, so let the dog out, refueled. Got my cup full of ice water. And now we'll head out for the evening and do an evening run. Should only have to do 4 more orders before we get to 200. Check that out, man. I love the view from our driveway. It's just pretty. We got a big old magnolia out there, and the sun sets over there every evening. So it's a nice view through the green trees every day past 7 p.m. Let's get back to Walmart and make some more money. Nice. All right, this will be our 7th order of the day. It's $29.79 for a little over 11 miles. It's a batched order. One shop and deliver has like 3 items, the other one has 11. So shouldn't take us too long to grab. A little bit more of a distance, but almost $30 order. I'll take that. Let's go grab it, deliver it, and come back for an 8th. Okay, so that didn't take too long, but we got one here, one back there. They sent me to the deli section, and that lady was like unloading, I'm guessing baked chickens. She started with one door, went to the next one. I was not waiting for 2 hours for her to finish. Okay, first delivery of those 2 made. One more big one in the back here. Let's go get that. And then we'll make our way back to Walmart and try to get our 8th order. Nice. Okay. Nice. All right, that does it for that order. Headed back to Walmart. This will put us on order number 8. So let's head back, try to get that one. Pretty sure I'm somewhere between 145 and 150 right now. See if we can get a couple of $20 orders. That'd be nice. If not, we'll get what we can. Well done. Okay, so we just finished our 8th order. Puts us at about 167, I think, for the day. So I'm headed back to Walmart now. We're still trying to get at least 2 more orders. Oh, shout out to a guy who stopped me while I was delivering and introduced himself, watches the channel. Michael, I hope you're making a ton of money today, man. Thanks for watching the channel. I'll tell you, one of the things I love about gig work is that even in a small town, little services like this one, like Walmart Spark, DoorDash, Uber Eats, all of those apps that you can download provide a little bit of an income for anybody and everybody who needs that extra push to give their wallet a little breathing room. So when I get to see other people out there who are doing the thing, that's awesome. All right, 9th order. This one's for $30, going about 15 miles. It might be the last one we do of the day. It's gonna put us just beneath $200 or at $200 for the night. Shop and deliver, 2 deliveries. And I think they're both pretty low items, like 15 and 7, something like that. So let's go do it. Okay, team. So we finished our shopping. I just loaded everything into the truck. We've got 2 orders here to make, a little bit of a distance to drive, which I'm not so worried about. But for the end of the day, that'll put us at close to 200. I'll give you guys the numbers as soon as I get these delivered. And I think I'm gonna call it a day. Sun's going down and all the sketchy folks are coming out here at Walmart. Somebody got pulled over with a cop car out there earlier, and there's a bunch of yelling going on inside of Walmart. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day after this one. And I think we pushed pretty well today. Now, given it is only, say like 7-something o'clock, and you still have until 11 p.m. to do more with Walmart Spark. So, I mean, if you really wanted to earn way more than 200, let it be proof that even in my small town, 200 is easy to do when you really want to earn the cash. So let's get these delivered and we'll come up with the numbers. Nice. So we're back at the house. The wife has made some Asian inspired cuisine. Very interesting. You do look cute. You always look cute. So we finished up 9 orders for the day. I'll put the list up right here. And at the very last house we went to for that delivery, a very nice and kind black lady came out, let me use her hotspot to finish the order, and then went inside and grabbed me $3.75 in cash for a tip. She said it was all the cash she had in the house, baby. And I was like, thank you, that was very kind of you. And that put us at $201.49. We beat our $200 goal for the day. Boom shakalaka. I'm gonna go back out.
And I went shopping. He doesn't know that yet.
I'll see you in the next one.